Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So, I'm here again. This video is medyo highly requested. Oo nga, I haven't done a video like this before. So, ang na-request is mga dupes. So, ngayon, medyo hindi ako masyadong magaling sa mga dupes, ganon. Pag sinabi mong dupe, kunyari itong color na to sa mas mahal na brand, ano ang equivalent na color nito sa mas mura na brand. Ganon dapat. And it's just gonna give you the same effect, color, lahat. Parang binili mo yung mas mahal, pero sa totoo lang, yung mas mura pala yung binili mo. Since sabi ko nga, hindi ako masyadong magaling sa ganon, sa dupe and sa mga review, ganyan, alam nyo naman yan. Ang ginawa ko na lang is, okay, kunyari, itong mas mahal na makeup, mas high-end, ganon. Bibigyan ko kayo ng option na mas mura. Yeah, of course, it's still gonna give you the same effect, but it's not like exactly or totally na yun talaga, but I will try my best to give you, kumbaga, dupe na rin nung product na yun. Baka kasi sabihin nyo, ay, ano ba yan? Hindi naman pala dupe yung mga ano, ganyan-ganyan. Ayun, clinic-clear ko lang para safe. Anyway, ito na nga. Let's start. So, for the foundation, kunyari, you guys wanna buy MAC Pro Longwear. So, MAC Pro Longwear is a very good foundation. It can cover everything in your face, yung mga imperfection mo, yung mga blemishes mo. It's long wearing. Hindi siya bibigay all throughout the day. But this one is medyo expensive. Under 2,000 siya. Siguro 1.8 or 1.5 itong isang bottle na to. What I would suggest na bilhin nyo na lang is the Revlon Color Stay. Actually, mas gusto ko pa to. Kasi this one, hanggat hindi mo siya tatanggalin ng makeup remover, hindi siya matatanggal. Kahit pagpawisan ka, kahit mabasahin mukha mo, hindi siya matatanggal. Unless, tanggalin mo talaga ng makeup remover. Ganon siya katibay. In MAC, I'm in the shade NC35 or NC40. Ngayon na medyo tan na ako. So, in Revlon Color Stay, I'm in the shade 330 Natural Tan. Let's go on to concealer. Okay, kunyari, gusto nyong bilhin yung MAC Pro Longwear Concealer. Kasi this one is also everyone's favorite, the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer, diba? So ngayon, ang masasuggest ko na substitute ng MAC Pro Longwear Concealer is the LA Girl Pro Conceal. Meron akong dalawang LA Girl Pro Conceal. So, ang shade ng MAC Pro Longwear Concealer ko is NC25. Medyo light siya kasi nga for highlighting and concealer na rin. So, for the LA Girl Pro Conceal, ang mga shades na meron ako ay Pure Beige and Creamy Beige. Mas light yung Creamy Beige. Minsan, pinaghahalo ko silang dalawa. Ang LA Girl Pro Concealer, sobrang daming range ng color. Mamili na kayo kung anong gusto nyo. Ito, ginagamit din siya pang contour. Yung super dark na shade nito, ginagamit din pang cream contour. Kasi sobrang ganda niya i-blend. Just like the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer. Pareho sila na it will stay all throughout the day. Pareho sila ng coverage. Heavy coverage. So, the LA Girl and the Pro Longwear Concealer from MAC. Okay, so powder. Okay, kunyari, you wanna buy the Ben Nye Luxury Powder. Ben Nye Luxury Powder goes around 800 pesos to 1,000. I'm not sure. Hindi ko na maalala. But this one is really good kasi nga it will keep you matte all day. This became one of my favorites before. Ang gusto ko kasi dito is, kunyari, nagkamali ka sa foundation mo. Kunyari, yung nalagay mong foundation medyo pink undertone. Ini-neutralize niya. Ibabalik ka niya sa pagiging yellow undertone. Kasi nga, di ba, most of us, Pinay, especially us, Morena, yung undertone natin is medyo, yun nga, yellow undertone. Warm. So, ngayon, kung kunyari, nagkamali ka nga sa paglagay ng foundation, ibabalik niya sa pagka-warm yung skin mo. So, yun yung gusto ko dito sa Ben Nye Luxury Powder. Kung meron kayong pera, kung afford nyo, go, push nyo yan. Pero, kung wala naman, I suggest the Nature Essentials Perfect Loose Powder, which is in the same yellowish tone din. Yan, pareho lang sila na yellowish tone, pareho silang loose powder sa mga girls ko dyan na mahilig sa loose powder. Kung meron pa kayong ibang cheaper alternative for the Ben Nye loose powder, go ahead and put it on the comment box down below para mabasa ng ibang angel. For the eyebrows, hindi ko alam kung available pa to. Meron pa ba itong Makeup Forever na ganito? Hindi ko alam kung baka nag-change siya ng packaging or nag-change siya ng pangalan, but this one is waterproof. This one is probably around 1,000 pesos. Kasi ang Makeup Forever, yung mga items nila hindi naman bumababa sa 1,000 pesos eh. Ngayon, ang may sasuggest ko na cheaper alternative nito is the NYX Eyebrow Gel. This is also waterproof. So, this one is in the shade Brunette. Mas mura to. This one is just around para siguro 400 pesos lang. Pareho lang sila ng shade, guys. This one is Brunette. This one is number 2. By the way, nakalimutan ko kanina, primer. So, Happy Skin, meron silang Insta Beauty Blur Cream. Ngayon, this one is medyo mahal. I think this one is probably probably 1,000 something. No, itong Insta Beauty Blur Cream, ang ginagawa niya kasi it's a primer. So, kung kunyari, yung face mo is medyo matindi yung discoloration, kunyari, yung ibang part medyo darker, yung ibang part medyo lighter, ganon. Ito, i-correct niya. So, papantayin niya, papakinisin niya yung mukha mo. Ito yung nagagawa nun. Ngayon, kung hindi nyo to mahanap, go for the Olay Total Effects Pore Minimizing CC Cream. Kasi it will give you the same effect. Since it's a CC cream, ganun yung ginagawa ng CC cream. It's a color correcting cream. Kasi kino-correct niya yung color ng face mo. This is in the shade medium. Okay, contour sa mga girls out there na mahilig mag-contour. Ito, kunyari, gusto niyo yung contour kit. Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit in medium. This one is in medium eh. Kasi may iba-ibang may iba-ibang palettes ang contour kit. Meron yung pang lighter skin tone, meron din naman yung pang darker skin tone. This one is for the medium, for my morena girls. This is what it looks like. Alam nyo na yan. And this one is really one of my favorites talaga. Kasi yung mga shades niya is correct shade talaga for contouring. And then, of course, meron pa siyang kasamang for the highlight, ganyan. And this one is for the contour. Pwede mo pa siyang gamitin for your eyeshadow, pag i-contour mo yung crease mo. Marami siyang pwedeng paggamitan. This one is around 2,500 to 3,000. Kung medyo namamahalan kayo, I would suggest the City Color Contour Effects. Ang gusto ko sa City Color na Contour Effects is that konti lang yung ilalagay mo, makukuha mo na agad yung color na gusto mo. Hindi parang yung ibang contour powder na ang dami mo nang nilalagay pero wala pa rin nangyayari. Ito kasi very pigmented, very easy to blend yung mga powder. And then, what I like about this palette is that itong shade na to. Kasi pwede mo siyang gamiting blush. If you're morena, or sige, if you're fair, ito pwede mo siyang gamiting blush. Pag ang gusto mong effect ng blush is yung hindi masyadong pink talaga, ito. Go for this one. It will give you a very natural effect. And of course, meron din siyang highlighter. So this is the City Color Contour Effects. Angel, if you know where to find City Color, please put it down below para makita din ng ibang Angel. So now we move on to eyeshadow. So if you wanna buy the Naked 3 palette, kasi yung Naked 3 palette is yung version nila ng mga rosy tones. Rosy tones is very uso recently. Siyempre gusto mo ring maki-uso, ganyan. Pero mahal. This one is probably around 2,000 pesos plus. I suggest the Ever Belena Pink. Kasi yung mga shades na nandito is mga rosy shades. And same effect, same colors na nandun sa Naked 3. And then, dagdagan mo na rin ng Maybelline The Blushed Nudes. Pare-pareho silang rosy tones. This one is probably just around 250 pesos siguro. And then this one is probably around under 500 pesos. Okay, lipstick first. The MAC Please Me Peach na matte. One of my favorite lipstick. Gustong-gusto ko siya pang everyday. Yung tone ko kasi, since I'm morena, bagay sa amin ng mga peach tones. So, this single bullet is 1,000 pesos, diba? Ang may sasuggest ko na dupe niya, which will give you the same color, is the Sweet Charm lipstick from Nature Essentials. Pareho lang silang on the peach, parang color family, and pareho silang matte. And then now we have the MAC Blankety. So this one is a super nice nude color. Perfect for, kunyari, mga events na naka-smoky eyes ka, tapos gusto mo na nude lipstick lang, go for MAC Blankety. Blankety is amplified. So this is how it looks like. Nude talaga siya. If you want a cheaper alternative for the MAC Blankety, so I suggest the NYX Spirit. Pareho lang sila na very creamy, very pigmented. Mas cheaper pa and mas madaling hanapin na parang kapareho lang nito is the Fashion 21 Arctic Stone. Ang tagal ko siyang ginamit sa mga previous videos ko. The Fashion 21 Arctic Stone, yung blue yung tube niya. Yun, wala kasi hindi ko siya makita kanina. So, yun. I also have other nudes here na baka gusto nyo rin. This is the Ever Belena matte na mauve. And then the Maybelline na salmon pink. So, this is the Maybelline salmon pink. And this one is mauve. Hindi ko alam kung nakikita nyo guys, but ayan siya. Perfect for smoky eyes. Pag naka-smoky eyes kayo, ito yung mga options na nude lipstick para sa inyo. Now, yung mga girls na mahilig sa red lipstick, as in yung striking red. Okay, kunyari, you want the MAC Russian Red or the MAC Ruby Woo. The cheaper option that I can suggest is, medyo marami-rami, the Maybelline Lip Gradation by Color Sensational na red one. So this one is the Russian red. This one is the red one from Maybelline. And then This one is the Ever Bilena Love That Red. And then I have the NYX na Soft Matte Lip Cream in Amsterdam. There, pare-pareho lang sila. Na it will give you the same matte blue toned red lip color. So, the last item that I have here is the They're Real Mascara. So, I have the travel size. Wala pa ako yung full size. But They're Real Mascara is one of my favorites talaga kasi it's waterproof. Tapos, it lengthens your lashes like crazy. Basta, ang ganda-ganda lang ng effect ng lashes ko pag ginagamit ko yung They're Real Mascara. Ngayon, this one is medyo mahal. The travel size is around 500 pesos. Pero yung full size niya is around 1,000 plus. Ngayon, ang masasuggest ko na cheaper alternative ng They're Real Mascara from Benefit is the Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. You guys know that I am so crazy about this mascara because it's waterproof and it gives me super long lashes. And ang gusto ko dito is that it doesn't weigh down your lashes. Alam niyo yung ibang mascara na sobrang heavy nila, sobrang liquidy nila na imbes na tumaas yung lashes mo, imbes na magpakita siyang ganon, bumababa siya dahil nga sobrang heavy nung weight nung mascara. This one is just around 300 pesos. And then this one for the full size, it's 1,000 pesos. So, there you go, girls. Yun yung mga cheaper alternative ko sa mga favorite natin na mga medyo mahal na makeup. So, sana nagkaroon kayo ng idea sa mga items na pwede nyong bilhin at maidagdag sa makeup collection nyo. Ito lang yung tatandaan nyo, girls. Hindi importante kung sobrang mahal o sobrang mura ng makeup mo. Magtipid tayo, girls. Hindi dahil, alam mo yun, hindi dahil afford or hindi dahil may pera naman. Diba? Bili lang ng bili kahit hindi naman kailangan. Comment nyo sa baba kung meron pa kayong alam na dupe para mabasa ng ibang angels. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. See you on the next video, girls. Bye! Mwah!